All right, homework 11 starts off with writing the equation of the circle given its center and a point on the circle. So again, general form of a circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared, which h and k being the center. So if my center is at negative 2, 2, I would have x minus a negative 2, and x minus a negative 2 really is x plus 2 squared then, right? If we had a plus 2, then we had a negative 2 in our center. Plus y minus 2 squared equals our radius squared. So what we're going to do then is once we have that, we're going to use the point that it goes through in for the x and the y in order to find r squared. So x is 6, y is negative 2. We're then going to solve this. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 squared, 64. Negative 2 plus a negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared, 16. So we're going to add 64 and 16. 10, 6, 7, 8, 80. 80 is going to be the value for the r squared. Now you don't have to write it as something to the second power. You can just leave it as the 80. It'll be fine. And so our equation is going to be x plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals that 80 that we got for the r squared. So number 2, going to be the same kind of thing. I want to find the equation of my circle that has a center at 0, negative 2, passes through the point 2, 4. So I know I'm going to have x minus 0 squared plus y minus a negative 2, so plus 2 squared equals r squared. We are then going to use 2 and 4 in for our x and a y since it passes through the point 2, 4. So 2 minus 0 would be 2, 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 squared is 36, 4 plus 36 is 40. So my equation, now I don't need to write it as x minus 0 squared, that would be the same thing as x squared, plus y plus 2 squared equals my radius squared, which is then going to be 40. So for the third one, center at 6, negative 2. So x minus 6 squared plus y minus a negative 2, which would make it plus 2 squared, equals r squared. They seemed like putting that negative 2 in for the y. Passes through the point 2, negative 6. So 2 minus 6 would be negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So I'm going to have x minus 6 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals my radius squared of 32. And that's going to be the equation of my circle. Easy enough.